Okay. So it's 8:17, and there's 9, 10, 11. Hold on, I need my calculator.
As you be making her videos.
Hold on, people. I'm coming.
What people? Who are not seeing this video?
Okay. 3 hours and 43 minutes till January 1st, 2011. Yeah, I know this isn't the day we're gonna die, but I'm just saying, we're almost there. People, live it up.
Yeah, I forgot all my time.
People, live it up. I look a mess, but it's okay. That's Marky over there. That's Misha. That's Daddy. That's Raya. Raya!
Ozone killer!
Raya! Alright, well, we're about to play Operation. I think I got it on video. We're about to play Operation. You know, we're gonna have a good time. Okay, so I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you. Don't talk about me. I'll talk to you later.
She got fans.
I do. I have a YouTube account. Look up Tasha is Smart 22.
Still recording.
I know.
And you clean your teeth on camera.
I'm not cleaning my teeth. I don't want to show my crooked one.
God, they're ridiculous.
Huh?
Look at my charger out of your room, please.
There is no charger in your room. My room. Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
Put that back right. Thank you.
Yeah, come here.
Come on, everybody. Who's playing?
Buddha, come here.
Make
I'm coming. Okay, gotta go now. See you later. Now we're later.
Look, I say come here. I say come here. Hey, Rico.
I gotta go.
Hey.
Abuse on camera. Abuse. Bye, guys. Love you.